Good morning, everybody. It's a Friday. It always feels extra fun around here on a Friday. Sid Sixero's enjoying the day off, well earned. We have got our gents on the couch. We've got Darren Jones from Kiss 92.5, Frank Ferragini, Devo Brown. Are we ready to chat about feet?
Oh, no.
No.
Well,
are we ever?
Yeah, a lot of people flying
Let's do it.
again. A lot of people flying again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pet peeves are happening.
Let's do it.
A passenger was left disgusted after the traveler behind them stuck their toes underneath their seat.
What's going on with that third one?
I don't know. But you see the person sitting in the chair, right? So they're taking the camera, they aimed it below because they couldn't believe what they saw.
Okay, hang on.
So we don't know what flight this was, but they're calling it a flight-mare. It's racked up to 2,600 comments. And we're asking, what are either your airplane pet peeves or any public transit pet peeves? Any in public pet peeves?
I do just want to jump in. If you're in that situation, are you allowed to, by accident, stomp on the foot? Like, what's the protocol there? Put it back up, if you don't mind, that picture of the foot coming through. If you were to just kind of grind one of those nails with your shoe,
that
would send a message, no?
It's not accidental.
I see a few things there. Ankles out for life, which I respect on the left and right there.
Those are Vans.
Those
too,
could be. I don't mind those shoes at all.
Yeah.
I think they're great. Now, logistically, this isn't an airplane?
Yeah.
Okay, so I really think this is a fake photo. Because we've all been on a flight. How do you get, like, there's no way to get to there. No.
Yes, you absolutely could.
No, there is no chance.
Devo,
the seat
maybe
is like
because
this.
of our height, our legs won't stretch that far.
Tall people.
Mine would, no problem.
Rob Hines is tall. There's no way you can get your feet to
Jordan
stick out.
Lay just said on his last flight he could do it to the person in front. Oh, they did it to you.
There's no way. There's a bar there.
There's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Nah, man, you got to be double jointed or dislocate your knee.
Now there was.
No,
I think
Devo, some planes,
no
some planes are built, and you're right, he probably did unbuckle the seatbelt.
Like,
for
you
sure.
gotta be
Without
so
a doubt,
awkward.
you can reach it. Like I can. I haven't done it, but you can.
I do, and then you hit something, and it's never gone far enough. And again, maybe I'm not tall enough, but I just don't think, like, logistically, you have to, like...
It happened. It wasn't.
I don't know.
And here's the other thing. No socks, no shoes, no socks. So
no
the guy's
pedicure.
minding his own...
That's wrong. That's
minding his own business. And then, so what, did you accidentally spill water?
I would probably say, excuse me.
Would you?
Yeah, I probably would. Because at this point as well, like that's a little bit invading your space, number one.
It is.
Number two, you shouldn't actually have bare feet unless you wore sandals.
But then keep the sandals on. I mean, if you've got
exactly.
shoes on and socks, you could take the shoe off. I'm okay with that as long as you keep your foot to yourself.
In your region.
In your little space.
In your, like,
but the bare foot and showing everyone what's going on? No, absolutely
and then
not.
Missing a toe there too. Wasn't he missing a toe?
No, there were all the toes are there.
Do you do the, you know when someone's and you just like tap them on the shoulder? Do you do like a little tap with the foot and be like, excuse me?
You know what?
Like, do you tap them with your foot?
I think I would probably
Pardon me.
like it would be like I would do it dramatic, like I almost hurt you, and I'd turn around and it'd be like, oh my gosh, I almost stepped on your feet, Frodo. You might want to tuck that because I almost broke your foot. I would do it out of concern, right?
Yeah.
Because I have in the morning, we get up very early for the show, and I cannot start the show without a big coffee and a big breakfast. There are times where I look under my foot because I will see something like dead.
What are you talking
what is happening here?
No, my feet are so big, like I'll step on a spider.
So you step on like
or like
a cat
there was
or
like
something?
a little like a worm thing. I don't know how it got in my house.
What are we talking?
And I saw the worm, half of it on the floor. I go, did I just step on a worm? And it was the rest of it was on my huge feet.
Dina, you know that we're on television right now, right?
Is that TMI? What I'm trying to say is you can hurt people's feet if you have big feet and you don't realize it. I'd clobber his feet.
So would you see if they were ticklish?
No, I would not touch his feet.
This is
Anytime we talk about feet,
Let's
it
just
just gets
remain
weird.
civil.
Yeah,
Okay.
it totally gets weird.
It's 9
It is
o'clock.
weird. The whole
I
thing
would
is
step.
weird.
I would do the accidental step.
Absolutely.
We stand defeated. Over to you.